Are you struggling to book interviews quickly? Imagine transforming your recruiting process effortlessly. With our cutting-edge tools, save hours on candidate and client outreach. Multi-channel integration allows emails, LinkedIn, and phone calls all in one platform. Experience high deliverability rates that keep your messages out of spam folders. Imagine booking meetings on autopilot with smart automation. Our AI technology personalizes your outreach, making responses flood into your inbox. Join successful recruiters who trust us to streamline their efforts. Don't miss out, start revolutionizing your recruiting today.